Hey guys, so welcome to the finale of Grazing Table series. Today I'll be showcasing you how to do the decor from the scratch. Let me introduce myself once more. My name is Monica Sinha and I'm a chef and I'm a caterer and I take bulk and customization orders for live catering as well as corporate events, house parties. So my brand name is Temptation Catering Mumbai. You're most welcome to place an order with me. Else you are also welcome to collaborate with me. So I'm gonna definitely say that if you're doing a grazing table decor for your guests at home, so it's gonna elevate your style to the next level. Let's quickly go and see how it is started and done from the scratch. गाइस ग्रेजिंग टेबल डेकोर में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट होता है थीम एंड कलर्स का. सो आई एम यूजिंग न्यूट्रल शेड्स ऑफ लाइट पिंक एंड वाइट और इसलिए टेबल कवर एंड फ्लावर्स आर लाइट पिंक एंड सो इज माय आउटफिट. So now the fun part. The food starts with larger items first, like cheese blocks. Then add different and vibrant dash of colors by adding colorful fruits, nuts, and fresh herbs. This gives your grazing table decor an excellent dimension and more professional look. Candles add so much elegance and charm to the grazing table decor. Mix heights using risers and cake stands to make the dish pop out. इसके बाद आता है salads and dips. You can use your creativity to the fullest here. और आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा elements और colors को use करके appeal को enhance कर सकते हैं. I really hope you all followed my grazing table series. So here I have placed my drinks and choco chips cookies on a wooden riser. और अब बारी आती है हमारे इंडियन प्लेटर की. तो मैंने बनाया था समोसा, कॉर्न चाट, पनीर चीज स्लाइडर्स एंड दही पूरी रेसिपी इफ यू ऑल रिमेम्बर. सो इसको मैंने प्लेटिंग की एंड देन आई वांटेड टू गार्निश विद रेड चटनी एंड कोरिएंडर लीव्स. So group similar colors and textures for a cohesive look and the colors will be popping out. And now make way for my favorite platter. Yes, of course you guessed it right. It can be none other than the meze platter with falafel, hummus, lavash, pita bread and the salads. And the world famous Korean buns needed to be placed in a basket for that rustic appeal. And here is the showstopper. And I've put the dessert on a cake stand for its beauty to stand out. Have added some artificial leafy creepers for the earthy and the close to nature look. And now is the time for the final reveal of all which we have been anxiously waiting for with our bated breaths. And this heavenly, wonderful grazing table is ready, full of vibrant colors, textures, and flavors. See how the symphony of flowers and candles are making it all the more mesmerizing. Don't you all agree with what I'm saying? Just see how beautiful and aesthetic and wonderful all of this grazing table decor is looking. Please let me know in the comments how was the decor. Hope you all liked it and enjoyed it. Please do subscribe. Thank you.